Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm gonna be doing OnePlus 60 unboxing, and also I'm giving away this OnePlus 60 to one of you guys. So watch this video till the end to know how to participate, and it's about the OnePlus community. So let's take this out, and here's the OnePlus 60 box. On the right side it says OnePlus 60, and on the left side it says unlock the speed. Now let's quickly unbox this phone. Opening up the box, we get the OnePlus 60 on the top. Let's keep this phone aside for a few seconds and let's see what else we got in the box. And inside this there's another box. Let's open it up. Here's the SIM ejector tool, some paperwork and OnePlus stickers. And in this it says unlock the speed. And on the back of it, you can see some basic information about the phone. A TPU case which protects the phone from getting scratches. Here's the invitation letter, a letter from the OnePlus CEO. Here's the dash charger. It is 5 volts and 4 amps, which charges the phone very quickly. And here's the USB Type-C cable. As the OnePlus removed the headphone jack, we get the dongle, a USB Type-C to headphone jack adapter. Let's keep these things aside and move on to the phone. Here's the OnePlus 60. Let's remove the stickers. And as you can see here, OnePlus logo. And on the bottom it shows designed by OnePlus. And now let's boot this phone up. On the right side you will find alert slider, which you can switch between modes easily, and a power button. On the left side you will find SIM tray and volume rockers. On the top there's only a secondary microphone. And on the bottom there's speaker grill, Type-C charging port and a microphone. There's no headphone jack. OnePlus 60 comes with 6.41 inches optic AMOLED display with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. It has a resolution of 2340 by 1080p pixel. It has Gorilla Glass 6 on the both front and back, and it comes with Android Pie right out of the box. With Oxygen OS version 9.0.4 skin. It comes with Snapdragon 845 processor, which is the same processor as OnePlus 6. This is the 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, and there's two more variants with 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage. There's a teardrop notch on the top. As the notch is smaller now, there's no LED notification. You can also hide the notch by going in settings, display, notch display, and from here you can select hide the notch area and it black out that area. To show the notch, just select the show the notch area. OnePlus 60 comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, so after you set up your fingerprint, you can easily unlock the phone by just putting the finger on the display. It maximizes the display brightness to unlock the phone by fingerprint. You can also change the fingerprint animation effect from here. For now, there's only 3 animation effects you can choose. And also you can use face unlock. The face unlock is still very fast. After you add your face, it unlocks the phone quickly. And the great thing about this, it only unlocks the phone when your eyes are open. And also you can set up fingerprint and face unlock at the same time. There's a dual camera setup on the back. Main camera has a 16 megapixel with f1.7 aperture with optical image stabilization, and the secondary camera has a 20 megapixel which has the same aperture of f1.7 and a 16 megapixel front facing camera with f2.2 aperture. Let's open the camera. It takes great photos with good details and contrast. And also you can record the 4K videos at 60 frames per second. And the next thing, there's a portrait mode for both front and back camera, and there's new option called nightscape mode, which takes the photo in the dark, and it just takes couple of seconds to process the image. Swipe up to see more options. And also you can record slow motion 720p videos at 480 frames per second. This phone comes in two colors. This one is the mirror black and the other one is a midnight black. OnePlus 60 comes with 3700 mAh battery, and with the dash charger, it charges the phone up to 60% in just 30 minutes, which gives you a day power in half an hour of charge. As the OnePlus 6, the OnePlus 60 is not completely water resistant, but it may survive some water spills and accidental drop in water. You can also enable the navigation gestures by going in navigation and gesture settings, and select the navigation gestures. Swipe up from the bottom to go to home screen. Swipe up from the bottom and pause to see recent apps. Swipe up from the bottom left or right to go back. And the navigation gestures is now very smooth. You can also enable the quick gestures. If we select draw O to open camera, and when we draw O, it opens the camera. Turn on double tap to wake, and when you double tap on the display, it will wake up the phone. And there's many gestures you can try. And this phone comes with a dual SIM card tray, so there's no option for the memory card. You can also change this clock style by going in ambient display, and from here you can choose your clock style. And save it. And it's changed. You can pinch to zoom to see the video in full screen. I'm giving away this OnePlus 60 to one of you guys. To participate, all you have to do is like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below what's the best thing you like about this phone. And I will randomly pick the winner and announce the winner on 14th November on my social media. So make sure you follow me on social media. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.